In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display salary and logo on payslips in Xero Payroll. Start by opening Xero and heading to the payroll area from your main navigation. From there, go into Payroll Settings. This is your control center for how payslips look and what details they include, so it's the right place to make these updates once and have them apply consistently across your organization. Inside Payroll Settings, find the section called Payslip Options. Here, turn on the setting labeled Show Annual Salary. With this enabled, Xero will display the annual salary on each payslip for employees who are set up on a salary in their employment or pay template. It's a simple change that improves transparency for staff and reduces questions about annual compensation. If you decide later that you don't want this visible, you can return to the same spot and switch it off just as easily. Your change is applied to future payslips automatically. Next, let's add your company logo so the payslips look polished and on brand. Choose Upload Logo in the same settings area, click Browse, select your logo file from your computer, and then click Done to apply it. For best results, use a clear PNG or JPEG, preferably with a transparent or white background. Aim for a high-quality image that isn't too large. A compact file displays crisply without slowing loading or printing. A square or landscape version typically fits well and prevents awkward cropping. If your logo has small text, consider a slightly larger or simplified version so it remains readable at payslip size. With those changes made, return to the payroll menu and select Pay Employees to preview how everything looks in a real pay run. Choose an employee in a current or recent pay run that's ready for review. Open View Reports. Then select Payslips. You should now see your company logo at the top of the payslip, and within the Employees Earnings section, the annual salary displayed when the employee is set up as salaried. If the salary doesn't appear, verify the employee's pay setup is marked as salaried and refresh the page to ensure the latest settings are applied. If the logo looks stretched or blurry, try re-uploading a higher resolution image with a more suitable aspect ratio. And that's it. You've enabled the annual salary on payslips, added your company logo, and confirmed the result from a payslip view. Repeat the same steps anytime you need to adjust the display or replace the logo, and your updates will carry through to future pay runs.